today with M.Tech and M-Design programs of CIT Kokrajhar. This is a beginning. From here onwards, all the students who are going to study here at CITK will award the degree as part of the de novo university under de novo category. So I am very happy and thrilled. These young people who go and start, developing for the Bodo region. They're going to start their own startups, entrepreneurship, because this is a vocational school. So where vocational training is prime importance. So I thank all of you for supporting this event at CIT Kokrajhar. Namaskar.
Any more chances of creating new courses in the CIT?
Yeah, definitely there will be a new plans of starting new programs. Okay, even we are thinking of jointly doing with IIT Guwahati. Chief Sir already has asked me to have a small wing here. So we will actually to reach out to Bodo region, jointly collaborating with all the institutes, not only in India, even across the world. Okay, IIT Guwahati will be a mentor institute for CITK so that it grows online with IIT Guwahati. As you all know, IIT Guwahati today is in citation per faculty in QS World Ranking 2022 में नंबर 2 है इंडिया में, नंबर 41 है वर्ल्ड में. Okay, so like that CIT also will grow because the emphasis is on research. Research is knowledge creation. So उसके हिसाब से I think we are all going to grow very big in this region, and I think all of you will be proud of. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
Thank you.